dying right now.
It's not even hot yet.
We're gonna try to get that bus over there started. The generator fire bus. Almost. I have to see what they took out. I have no idea. Oh, they dropped the whole box? Oh, that's what they did. The whole steering box is dropped. Why'd they do that? Rookies. Rookie tow truck drivers. They disconnected the whole steering mechanism. See it? Oh, they... To tow it. Well, there's one in it still. Because it's dangling. So you want me to hold it up? We gotta at least get that gearbox back on. Oh, no. The yard boys.
Smoked salmon, pretty good. It's my regular breakfast, pretty much every day. I have to share it with Jeffrey because, you know, he can't afford food apparently, so. Busted.
Okay, cool. All right, well, I'll get him going. Should be good. Okay.
You text me the address?
You have Cliff's number? I'll text you Cliff's number.
Okay.
But yeah, I'll fix the address.
Yeah, I'm gonna need that. Ready to hit the road. Go fix the bus.
The old one, zap the pulley off, put the pulley back on here and zap it down, and then put it back on the bus. You might have to tap around a little bit just to break some of the... Yeah. Yeah, I'll show you. Our new mechanic in training here.
Yeah, yeah. I just learned how to do windshields yesterday.
Okay. There's stuff all over the truck. Just make sure you lock this because if you don't lock it, they'll fly open and all the tools fly out. I've had my bag end up on the ground. Yeah. All right?
Before I leave, I'm gonna grab some drinks and stuff. We need like at least 6 beers. I gotta go. See you later, guys.
Been with Bordur for 2 years. My company went out of business because of the pandemic. But I found a new home here. Good people to work for. I got a good bus. The Tangerine Dream. I love it. Love getting out here. Love meeting new people, going to different places. Every day's different. So it's fun. It's just like almost like you're an explorer. I don't know. I can't go back to a real job now. I mean, this is too much fun. Got to pick up Escape the Fate, and this is the front lounge area. You got a bathroom here, fridge, microwave, cable TV. The bunk areas here. Your typical bunk. You got a comforter, AC units, plug-ins, charger for your phone. Back here in the back lounge, usually it's a horseshoe-shaped back lounge, but in there we made a little bed for, I guess, the lead singer. Normally this is a back lounge where all the fun stuff happens, but evidently somebody's taking it over. That's not going to turn out good. The other 11 guys are going to be quite resentful of that. But, you know, that's how it goes. Every band and tour is new and different. And you just gotta Hope the bus guides treat you well. But normally the bands are typically and crews are almost always great guys, great people to drive for. I just been doing this so long, I don't know what else to do. You got to make every show, and you got to get them home safe and get them to the show safely and on time without slinging them out of their bunks. I got about 1,000 stories, but I can't say any of them. So that's another story for another time.
Sometimes I help out on the mechanical side, but mostly interior work, showers, flooring, all the balances and ceilings and stuff. Jeez, I think 3 years.
Cal take decent care of you?
Yeah, he's all right. He's a good guy.
Bordur Coach started when I was 19 years old and ended up buying a bus because I thought it was going to be a great idea to get into the entertainment bus industry. Years and years later, ended up with 13 buses. First tour that I ever did was with Dave Ellefson, formerly of Megadeth. He's a good family friend of ours, and that was one of the first tours that I actually toured on myself and actually did sound on and was in a bus that I actually owned. Then from there it rolled into a second bus and a third bus and a fourth bus, so on and so forth. And I started learning about mechanics of buses because I was out on the road and there was problems with the buses, so I started learning how to fix them myself. Pretty much self-taught on everything. Obviously I've had a lot of help. Leo from All Aboard America was a huge asset to help me. John, now we have Chris Weaver and Alan here who are also wealth of knowledge and have helped me learn a lot more of stuff that I didn't know. I mean, right now we got 10 employees. Hopefully in the future we keep all 10 employees and we can grow from there, and we'll see what happens.